Welcome students. In this video, I'm going to discuss about complements of a number, what is a complement and how many types of complements we can find of a number. Then binary arithmetic, that is binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Octal arithmetic, that is octal addition and octal subtraction. Hexadecimal arithmetic, that is hexadecimal addition and subtraction. And the last one is negative number representation and floating point representation in binary form. We are discussing about complement of a number. What is a complement of a number? As it is written over here, you can see a complement of a number is another number that you can get, and this number adding to the original number, we will get the highest digit in each position. Let us see some examples. We all know there are 4 number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Now in decimal number system, we get 2 complements, 9s and 10s. What is 9's complement? If I take an example 123.45, so 9's complement of this number will be get by subtracting this number by 999.99. So see 123.45, the 9's complement of this number is 876.54. Now if we add 123.45 with 876.54, you will get 999.99. That means at each position, at each place value, you get the highest digit. Now, what is 10's complement? 10's complement is 9's complement plus 1 added to the least significant digit. Now, what is least significant digit? The digit which has lowest positional value. So, 123.45, the 10's complement of this number is 876.54 plus 0.01. So you'll get 10's complement as 876.55. Now let's come to binary. The binary number has 2 complements, 1's and 2's complement. The 1's complement is very simple. You have to convert every 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 in the number. Let us take an example. 100.1011. So the 1's complement of this is you have to convert each 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Now you have to keep it in mind, though in any number system, a preceding 0 and after point, the trailing 0 has no numeric value. But in complements, you have to keep these positional numbers. So either you will get 0 or 1. This has to be stored. So 1001.1011, the 1's complement of this will become 0110.0100. And the 2's complement will be adding 1 to the LSB of this number. Now LSB position will be this position, this one. So 1 added to this will get the 2's complement as 0110.0101. Now let's come to the octal number. Octal number has 2 complements, 7's and 8's complement. 7's complement, you have to subtract the entire number with 7's value. So 123.45 subtracted by 777.77 will give you 7's complement, and 8's complement is 7's complement plus 1 in the least significant digit, thus this value. Last, hexadecimal, it has 2 complements, 15's and 16's. 15's complement is each number will be subtracted by f or 15, we'll get this one, and 16's complement is 15 plus 1. I'll show some more examples to. Hello students. Now I'm going to show some examples on the complements of a number. what you have just seen in the notes. Here in the board, I'm showing some examples. Now just let me define the board first. We all know, as we have 4 number systems: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and each number system has 2 forms of complements. So decimal has 9's complement, 10's complement, binary 1's, 2's, octal 7's, 8's, and hexadecimal 15's and 16's complement. So I will show with some numbers. Let us take a decimal number. Suppose I am taking a number 53.25. Suppose this is a number. I have to convert, or I have to find the 9's complement of this. How will get this one? As we know, the original number plus its 9's complement will give you the highest number or highest digit in each position. So to find the 9's complement, what we will do, we'll get the highest number, as it is 2 digit in whole number and 2 in fractional, so we'll 99.99, and we'll subtract the number from this. So when we subtract this, so we'll get the number 9 minus 5, 4, 7, 6, 4. So 46.74 is the 9's complement of 53.25. Now we have to find 10's complement. What is 10's complement? As you have seen, it is 9's complement plus 1, and this 1 will be added to the least significant position or least significant digit in the number. So we got 9's complement of 53.25 as 46.74. So we will write this one 46.74 plus we'll add 1 to this position, because this position has the lowest significance. How? This has a positional value 0, this has a positional value 1, this is positional value minus 1, this has positional value minus 2. So thus 4 has the lowest positional value in the number. So we'll add 1 to this. So we'll get the value as 46.75. So 9's complement of 53.25 is 46.74, and 10's complement of the same number is 46.75. Okay, now we'll proceed to binary number. Now if it is a binary number, whatever number is given, suppose I have given this number, 1's complement is very easy to find. How? Just convert each 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So here I have taken a number as 101.110. So 1's complement will become 010.001. And what will be the 2's complement? We'll add this value with 1 over here. So we'll get 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. Why this is 1 plus 1, 0? Because 1 and 1 added in decimal number we get 2. Now binary of 2 is 1, 0. So in that 1, 0, 0 will come to some bit position and 1 will go to the carry to the next. So now 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now here what you have to remember is, though the preceding zeros in a whole number and the trailing 0 in the fractional number has no meaning in a number system, but when we are finding 1's complement and 2's complement, these values have some definite positions and you cannot omit that. So 1's complement of 101.110 is 010.001 and 2's complement will be 010.010. You cannot remove the zeros. Let us move to 7 octals complement, 7's complement. Let us take the number, suppose 23.54. if it is octal number. So what we'll do, the highest bit is 7. So it is 77.77 minus 23.54. You will get 3, 2, 4, 5. This is your 7's complement of 23.54. Similarly, the 8's complement will become, adding 1 over here, 54.24. Now comes to hexadecimal. Let us take a number A25.32C. Suppose this is an hexadecimal number. Sorry. Okay. Let me adjust the camera. Yes. I have to find the 15's complement. Now, hexadecimal has highest digit as F. Now, F, its numerical value of F is 15. So, what we'll do, we'll subtract each number from 15. Let me write this above. Now we'll subtract. A's numerical value is 10, 2, 5, 3, 2, and C's numerical value is 12. We'll subtract it. So 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 2 is 13, 15 minus 3 is 12, 10, 13, 5. Now what we'll do, we'll replace these numbers above 9 with the alphabets A to F. So what will be the 15th complement of A to 5.32C? It will be 5 D A point C D3. This is the 15th complement of this number. Now what will be the 16th complement? We'll add 1 over here. This is your 16th complement of the number. Okay, hope you have understood the concept of complement.